Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 4. Non-deductible contributions. In this lesson, we'll discuss some contributions which are never deductible. While it is important to discuss contributions that can be deducted, it is equally important to identify contributions that cannot be deducted. Occasionally, the differences between the two can be hard to determine. For example, a gift to a qualifying organization, such as the Red Cross, which helps victims of a flood, is generally deductible. A gift made directly to a family in the area who suffered loss due to the flood is not deductible. Taxpayers may not understand the differences at first, but closer inspection reveals that federal tax law is very clear about which contributions will and will not qualify as a deduction. Here are some examples of charitable contributions that are not deductible. First, a contribution to a specific individual is not deductible, regardless of the individual, the intent of the giver, or the purpose of the gift. A contribution to a non-qualified organization is not deductible, regardless of the amount of the contribution or the mission of the organization. Contributions of time or volunteer service are not deductible contributions, regardless of whether or not the service is given to a qualifying organization. Likewise, personal expenses incurred while performing volunteer service are not deductible. Charitable distributions from IRAs are not deductible, regardless of the qualifying status of the beneficiary of the distribution. Appraisal fees are not deductible, even if they are incurred during the course of determining the fair market value of an item that has been donated to a qualifying organization. There are other restrictions on charitable contributions as well. The part of a contribution from which the taxpayer gets a benefit is not deductible, for example. Other restrictions regarding donor-advised funds and contributions of partial interest in property also exist. Let's take a look at review question number 6. Amy donates $60 worth of flowers to her neighborhood association to beautify the neighborhood. What is the maximum amount of her contribution that Amy can deduct? Is it A, $0, B, $15, C, $30, or D, $60? The answer is A. Homeowners associations are one of a number of non-qualified organizations for which donations cannot be deducted, regardless of the purpose of the gift.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.